Hey guys, welcome back. I want to say what's up to all the subbies and what's up to the newbies. And that's anybody checking me out, maybe for the first time, second, third, it don't even matter. We don't count around here. All I want is for everyone, subbies and newbies, to come together and come on in, okay? Okay, so today it's gonna be a quickie, okay? Because, first of all, we're gonna do a check-in and check-up, and we're gonna make sure everything is copacetic with what's going on top of my head, okay? So for those who are not familiar, and here we go, we do a check-in every 4 weeks around here. And that is so that we can stay in front of anything that may be going off the track, okay, as far as the hair growth and health and all this other stuff that's going on. I like to relax my hair every 8 weeks-ish. So with that being said, I just relaxed my hair, okay? I just relaxed my hair last week. So I wanted to come in here, show you what I'm working with, show you what's going on, and just basically keep everybody abreast of where we are as far as the status of my hair. So here we go. So first of all, as far as a product update, there's no real update or more recent update, because for all of those who have checked into the last video and the one prior to, we're going to do a quick recap and go. So, you know that a couple of weeks ago, I tried a new conditioner. It was a protein conditioner, Aubrey Organics, okay? And I said that I liked it. It was an oldie, but a goodie, so I used that. And it gave my hair the zhuzh and the moisture that it was needing at the time, okay? So with that being said, I am re-upping. I haven't gotten that yet, but if you saw my last video, you know that I was on a search. And a couple of you guys came in and commented on that video and basically said that you too were going to try it out. So I'm putting the call out there, and I'm letting you guys know, even though I responded to the comments, I'm letting you guys know in front of everybody that when you do, let me know what you think of it, okay? I know one person in particular, and you know who you are. She said that she bought it online and that basically she was about to try it, like literally about to try it. So I am waiting with bated breath, honey. How do you like it? How did it treat your hair? What was the smell? So with that being said, that is basically where we are with the conditioner. I haven't gotten mine yet, but like I said, I'm still going to get it. But you guys are on the case, okay? You guys are on it, okay? So I said I was going to get the conditioner. They said, listen, we ain't even waiting on you. We going to get it. We going to tell you what the conditioner is like. I'm like, okay, fine. Okay, let me clutch my pearls. All right, that's fine. But anyway, I'm glad that you guys are at least inclined to try it out, okay? And with that being said, I'm going to, like I said, I'm still going to get mine because I know the before and the after, meaning I had the old version and I want to try the new version, you know what I mean? Sort of compare the two and make sure it's still, you know, what it's hitting for, you know what I mean? It's still what it says it is, okay? Because sometimes when companies change the formulas, it's not all that it's cracked up to be. But we're going to check it out. So I'm glad you're doing your thing. I'm going to do my thing. I'm going to get it. And I'm going to compare the two. So just let me know. And we're going to meet in the middle. Okay, we're going to meet in the middle on that one. So that's all that I really have as far as the products. The relaxer day went well. I did it late at night. I did that. And then I did my little trim. And then, you know, everything was fine. Everything was fine. And nothing really to report on that end. Nothing really, you know, I used all the same products, you know, yada, 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 same this and that, so forth and so on. So there's nothing to really report on that end as well. So with that being said, like I said, we're going to get right to the soda and popcorn. Everybody take their seat. We're going to dim the lights. Okay, maybe not. But you know what? We're gonna start the show. Okay, we're gonna start the show in the show and tell. Okay, now we did the telling with the products and this and that, so we're gonna do a little bit of the show and show you what I'm working with. I trimmed a little bit, so it probably doesn't look any longer. Okay, probably looks about the same that it was the last check-in, okay, about 4 weeks ago. But that's okay, you know, it is the tortoise versus the hare around here. I am not in a rush. And yes, I am the tortoise, and I'm okay with that. So with that being said, let's take a look-see, okay? And we'll be back-see, okay? And we'll be talking about what we just saw and wrap this up, okay? So if you're ready, we are going to get right to it. Okay, guys, so that's what we're working with, okay? This is what we're working with so far. Like I said, I did do a trim, okay? So it wasn't a dusting. It was a little more of a trim. So you know how I said that we were a little past... Okay, last we spoke, okay, last that we checked in. So it doesn't look, it's not too much longer than the last time, but it's just, you know, the bra strap top is right here, and I'm just like peeking over, okay? Before it was a little bit over, but I'm just peeking over. So I think we've established that that's where we are, okay? So like I said, we're trying to get past bra strap length, okay, BSL, okay, for those who like abbreviations. But we're going to get past that. But, you know, like I said, to me, it's not a rush. I like to make sure that my hair is trimmed and, you know, fit. Because when I trimmed this time, actually, I trimmed instead of a dusting because it was a little uneven, okay? This side was a little shorter than this side, okay? So I wanted to even that out. So according to my measurements, I was able to even that out. So again, that's what I like, and I like to see and feel the thickness all the way through to my ends, okay? That thickness and that opacity. Okay? I don't like see-through ends. And you guys see the bangs, you know, I told you I was going to trim them. I told you I was going to whip them into shape, okay? So that's what I did. I just do a little bit. Like I said, I like them to the bridge of my nose, okay? So I just sort of got that together, whatever. And I know that a couple of you have made a comment about you want to see another trim from me. Okay, me do another trim. And I did not forget. Okay, I did not forget. Like I said, that is on the list of things to do and to revisit. This past time that I relaxed my hair, I did it late at night. So, you know, me setting up and trying to, I just did it late at night. But like I said, it is on the way. It is on the list. So I didn't forget about that at all. Okay, so don't even worry about that. So I done checked in, honey. I done checked in and told y'all. I showed and told what was going on with my hair. So it's up to you. I am passing the mic, okay? I'm passing the mic to all of you or any of you who may want to also check in. Now, you know, we don't look around here. We don't point fingers. We don't say, hey, so-and-so and shush, 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 and blah, 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 and scooby-doo-bop. We don't do all that. We don't tell on nobody. But if you want to come forward and testify as far as what's going on with your hair, anything new that you tried, any pixies that are growing out and turning into mullets, and anybody who has relaxed their hair for the very first time and just wants to share their experience, let us all know down below. Okay, just let us all know down below, chit chat and all of that. And you already know I'm gonna read it. Okay, I'm gonna read it. So with that being said, anybody who wants to share, please share down below, because sharing is caring. It is. So with that being said, I think we have all been caught up around here. We talked about the products. I done showed my crown. We done did an altar call for anybody who wants to testify and give an update for themselves, okay, as far as hair and products. So I think we're all caught up. What do you think? I think we are. Okay. Alrighty then. So, with that being said, that wasn't too bad, right? We were in and out. Okay. I want to thank you so much for dialing in and showing up. I really do appreciate it. I really do. I really do. And yeah, we'll be back talking about some more stuff. You already know. You already know. We got more stuff to chit chat about and show and tell and show and all that good stuff. So you gotta come back for that. So you already know. It's going to be the same Dolce dial. It's going to be the same Dolce dial. So you come on back.